Today is, what is today's date? April
April 2nd.
2nd. Jalen's first day eating with the spoon.
2007.
Jalen's first day eating with the spoon. He likes it. Hi, Grandma and Jocelynea. He likes it. Now, Jocelyn, when you come back, you could come and feed him. You come and feed him, Mama. Alex isn't giving it to him quick enough. He's not giving it to him quick enough. He's hungry. Uh-oh, Mommy's gonna go. Mommy's gotta make more. Okay, guys, just wanted to send you a little something so you can see Jalen eating his first oatmeal. All right, guys. See you soon. Say bye, Jalen. Say bye-bye.